Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most overlooked foundations of men's vitality, the kidneys. You may think of your kidneys as simple filters, but they are much more than that. They are the power stations of your body, managing energy, circulation, hormones, and even sexual stamina. Your kidneys regulate essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, controlling nerve signals and muscle contractions. Every time your heart beats or muscles flex, those signals depend on proper mineral balance. When your kidneys are healthy, your muscles function at their peak. When your kidneys are sluggish, you may notice fatigue, poor recovery, and reduced drive. Your kidneys also produce erythropoietin, or EPO. This hormone tells your body to make red blood cells, the oxygen carriers that fuel your muscles and brain. If EPO levels drop, your blood carries less oxygen and stamina declines. You feel tired and performance may feel weaker. In traditional Eastern medicine, kidneys are the storehouse of vital energy called Jing. It governs strength, sexual energy, and longevity. Modern research aligns with this concept. When your kidneys are well nourished, your hormone balance, blood flow, and vitality all improve. When stressed by dehydration, processed foods, or lack of sleep, that energy reserve gets depleted. So, how do you protect and recharge your kidneys? It starts with balanced hydration, not just water. You need water with electrolytes from natural sources like coconut water, pink salt, or mineral drops. Next, focus on foods that cleanse and energize the kidneys: cucumbers, watermelon, celery, parsley, and dark leafy greens. Finally, reduce the load, avoid excessive salt, sugar, and processed protein powders that strain your filtration system. Healthy kidneys equal clean blood. Clean blood equals better circulation. And better circulation equals stronger stamina and performance. If you've been feeling low energy or noticing a decline in endurance, it could be your kidneys asking for care. In the next segment, we'll uncover how to restore kidney energy naturally and safely using simple daily habits. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Now that you understand how vital your kidneys are for stamina, let's explore how to strengthen them and reignite your inner power. First, let's talk about movement. Gentle exercise significantly improves kidney circulation and overall well-being. Even a 15-minute walk after meals or light stretching can stimulate blood flow and aid in detoxification. Focus on movements that engage your core and lower back, as these areas are closely linked to kidney energy. Next, let's look at nutrition. Certain foods and herbs can nourish your kidneys deeply, providing essential nutrients and antioxidants. These include black sesame seeds, rich in minerals, and cordyceps mushroom, known to support kidney and adrenal function. Goji berries help protect kidneys and boost circulation, while nettle root and ginseng balance hormones and improve vitality. Try incorporating these into your daily routine. For example, a morning smoothie with black sesame, oats, and goji berries. Alternatively, enjoy an herbal tea with nettle and ginseng to naturally support your kidney health. Now let's address stress, one of the biggest kidney energy drainers. Under chronic stress, your adrenal glands release cortisol continuously. Over time, this weakens both adrenal and kidney function, leaving you feeling tired and less resilient. So, practice deep breathing, gentle meditation, or quiet walks in nature. These small moments of calm help your kidneys reset and recharge, restoring your inner balance. Another powerful yet simple method is temperature therapy. Alternating between warm and cool showers boosts blood circulation. This practice strengthens kidney energy and revitalizes the nervous system, making you feel instantly more alert and energized. And finally, sleep. The kidneys regenerate during deep rest, making quality sleep absolutely essential. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours per night, allowing your body ample time to repair and rebalance. Remember, your kidneys are not just filters, they are your body's internal engines, crucial for overall vitality. When you nurture them, you boost your strength, your focus, and your confidence, enhancing every aspect of your life. You don't need expensive supplements or extreme diets. What you need is awareness, consistency, and care for the systems that fuel your vitality. So, take time today to hydrate deeply, move gently, eat mindfully, and rest fully. Your kidneys will thank you, and so will your stamina, energy, and confidence. Thank you for watching, and take good care of your inner power. Welcome back. Let's explore the connection between your kidneys and your hormones. Most men don't realize this. Your kidneys and adrenal glands work as one powerful team. Your adrenals, sitting above each kidney, control key hormones like testosterone, cortisol, and adrenaline, crucial for energy, mood, and performance. When kidneys are overworked, adrenal function weakens, leading to fatigue, low libido, poor recovery, and emotional stress. It's not just getting older, it's your internal chemistry being thrown off balance. Let's break this down simply. Your body uses cholesterol to make hormones, but kidneys and adrenals need minerals, oxygen, and rest for this process. Dehydration, stress, or processed foods make kidneys struggle, hindering efficient hormone production. Men with kidney stress often report reduced morning energy, lower drive, slower workout recovery, and mood swings or brain fog. The fix is simple. Rebuild your foundation with mineral support like magnesium, potassium, zinc, and boron. These are found in natural sources like pumpkin seeds, avocados, sea salt, and leafy greens. Next, retrain your nervous system. Slowing your breathing increases oxygen-rich blood to your kidneys. Try this daily breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Do this for 3 minutes morning and night to rebalance your nervous system and support kidney circulation. Finally, balance stress with recovery. True strength comes from recovery, not pushing through fatigue. Rest recharges kidneys, improves hormone balance, and restores vitality. Keep your kidney and adrenal batteries charged for powerful stamina. Welcome to the final part. We'll discuss rebuilding kidney power for long-term stamina and vitality. It all starts with daily rituals. Consistency beats intensity. Here's a simple 5-step framework. Step 1. Hydrate with purpose. Drink 2 to 3 liters of mineral-rich water daily. Add a pinch of Himalayan or sea salt to 1 glass each morning to support kidney filtration and blood volume. Step 2. Eat for circulation. Choose foods like beetroot for nitric oxide, garlic and onions for detox, blueberries for antioxidants, and spinach and kale for minerals. Avoid overdoing red meat, alcohol, or artificial sweeteners as they create kidney strain. Step 3. Move and breathe. Kidneys love movement. Simple activities like yoga twists, light cardio, or breathing while walking improve kidney oxygenation. Try kidney tapping. Gently tap your lower back with fists for 1 to 2 minutes to boost circulation and vitality. Step 4. Manage heat and rest. Keep your lower back warm. Cold exposure weakens kidney energy. Place a warm compress on your back for 10 minutes before bed. Sleep early as kidneys regenerate between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., prime time for healing. Step 5. Nourish the spirit. Kidneys are linked to courage, willpower, and inner peace. Calming your mind improves kidney performance. Listen to your body, rest when needed, and let go of stress. You'll notice powerful shifts, consistent stamina, clearer focus, better sleep, and enhanced performance and confidence. This is the art of natural vitality, understanding your body's intelligence. Protect and nourish your kidneys, and your energy will remain unstoppable. Thank you for this journey. Stamina is built through balance, recovery, and respect for your body's power. Take care of your kidneys, and they will take care of you.